Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change icons color on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings, we want to go to wallpapers and style and then choose icons. Over here, switch to custom, then scroll down and you should be able to find adapt system colors. If you enable this option, then you will see the preview how it looks like right now. And now we need to press apply. So immediately the colors of app icons should be changed. However, we can go back to the settings and under the user interface we can go to colors, and here we can choose different colors in order to also apply it to the apps. So if you switch to Alpine, then we have green icons. If you set up to trendy, we have aqua, and it also goes with other colors as well. So that's pretty much it. We can also go to custom, of course, to choose your own color. So let's say I want to choose maybe this purple and press OK. So now if you go back, we'll have purple icons. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.